So I'm working on this mock, but I need more pieces. So I'm just gonna look through my bin of white and try to find a 1x1 plate. Oh, finally, here it is. So I have a bunch of Lego, but you know, it's not sorted, but it's okay. I'll make a mock anyway, it'll be fine. I need to cut my fingernails anyway, so I'm just gonna pull this off with my fingernails. Ow. There we go. No need for a brick separator. My fingernails are like super sensitive, so I have to use this brick separator for it all. So excuse me while you just hear your ears pop some a little bit, maybe. Because I need this because I cannot risk my fingernails. Like, that's just not gonna happen. So here's my mock. I think I did a good job of this. It looks really cool, you know, with the roof little part here, you know. It doesn't look bad at all, so I think it looks good. Tell me what you think in the comments because I really worked hard on this. Welcome back, everybody, to another video with me. Today, I'm going to be showing you all my minifigures. Of course, maybe not all of them, all my good ones. So let's just get right into this. Here I have a bag of some cool things. I have some of these that are just random. Yeah, this is super hot. Like, this is awesome. So I'll just get all of them out one by one and show them to you. These are my top 3 minifigures of all time. Everyone, welcome back. Wait, stop it. I have this really cool base plate that's, you know, a little bit broken, but I can still make a mock out of it. So let's just make my mock now. So welcome back to another video with me today. And I'm just gonna show you all a collection tour. I'm just gonna put a bunch of this sand green on it because like I really love the way I've been able to sort like awesomely, you know. So I'll just show it to you. So I just put on my 2x4, what do you call them, tiles? Yeah, 2x4x4 tiles. Oh, actually, they're not 2x4x4, they're just 2x4. But yeah, I really have a good collection on my hands here. Hi, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be reviewing this architecture set by LEGO. It is New York City and it has 598 pieces. It's for ages 12 and up, and it's set number 21028. And this is a very nice Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video with me. Today, I'm going to be showing you all my instruction booklets. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you all enjoyed that funny little skit. If you did, make sure to like this video, and if you want to share this with another fellow LEGO fan, go right ahead. I think everybody could get a kick out of it. Until next time, keep doing what you love.